Alright, this is going to be the Burger Bar elevator at Macy's Union Square in downtown San Francisco. We have another Schindler 700A here. Over there is the express one that goes up to the Cheesecake Factory. That only serves G and 8, so on the other floors, it's just covered up like that. This one serves every floor. It's stupid because this one gets stupidly busy and the other one never does. So they could have thought of that a little better, in my opinion. Got a bottom drive Schindler 700A. See how long this takes. MT has been holding up the best here, but it works. Hear it. Oh, I don't get a copyright claim again. Come on. Here's a fire map. Alright, come on, this is getting ridiculous. This was broken yesterday. And I was here at Taiwan just some. Here we go.
Is that now?
Yeah, this is the bottom. What for?
We're going to 1, actually.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. Whoever pushes it stops, seems like. It's only 2 here and there.
This is 6.
That's 6, right? Thank you.
This is actually an analog indicator, but almost all of them are burned out. I think 8 works. If it does, if you can see that. Let's go back to the lower level. Hello. Okay, well, that one's in here. Here's your COP. Schindler MT buttons, a 35 pound capacity, and an 88 phone. Here's your other panel. I don't know what's with this, it's nothing. You got a digital indicator over here. Let me get a cab view before someone gets on. Pretty much identical to the Cheesecake Factory one, except it's more Macy's looking. I like it. We made it to 3. Again, no one's here. That is really loose. Made it. Let's see if I can get a non-stop flight. Real quick, when were you installed? 2002. 8. Alright, let's try this. How about that? We made it up. Let's see if we can make it back down now. See, like, I think the rear door is what this floor used to be. Wait, that's 2. Why is there no 2 button? That's weird. I guess it doesn't serve 2. Five. That's okay. Coming down? What floor?
First floor?
The exit or the first floor? You're at the lower level. That button. Oh wow. Let's go to 3. Let's see how busy this thing can get. Stop me at 1. No one's here. Can we make it to 3 more floors? Yes. Made it to 3. Alright, that actually wasn't that bad of a take. That was my first take too. There it goes, and that'll be it.